Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into managing supplier relationships with Monday.com, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First up, you'll want to create a new board dedicated to your suppliers. To do this, simply click on the plus new button and select board. This is important because it allows you to keep all supplier-related information in one place, making it easy to access and update. Now that we've done that, it's time to customize your board columns to fit your needs. Click on the Add Column button and select the types of columns you require, such as text, numbers, status, or dates. This helps us because it allows you to keep track of critical supplier data like contact information, delivery schedules, or product specifications. Next up, let's invite your suppliers to the board. Go to the Share button and type in your supplier's emails. The reason we do this is to foster open communication and collaboration, giving your suppliers direct access to relevant information and updates. After we have our suppliers on board, we need to set up automations. Click on Automate and create rules that fit your workflow, like when a status changes to delivered, an item's date should be updated. Let me explain why this matters. Automations save you time and reduce the risk of human error, ensuring your supplier management runs smoothly. Finally, keep track of everything with the Overview and Analytics features. This provides you with a high-level overview and in-depth analysis of your supplier relationships. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com's powerful analytics tools are compiling data from your board, helping you make informed decisions and improvements. And there you have it. You're now equipped to manage your supplier relationships effectively with Monday.com. Remember, successful supplier management is about communication, collaboration, and keeping track of all relevant information. Tune in next time for more tips and tricks on maximizing your use of Monday.com. Until then, keep those projects running smoothly.